Hey, how's it going? Ryan with Purity Air here. Today I just want to go over a couple of our products that we have to offer, something that possibly could benefit your company, cost savings, maybe generate some extra revenue, maybe solve the problem of having a bunch of odd size filters that you just can't seem to source good cost-effective filters easily. So I'm going to go ahead and start with our 1-inch filter frame. This is for residential use. This is our EverFilter reusable filter frame with our MERV 8 filter insert in there. So easily just pull it out, tuck it back in under the edges. It's got a reusable frame, high airflow, 1x1 metal backing. They're not going to get sucked into your system like some disposable filters do. It's going to not create any strain on the system or reduce the amount of static that some of these pleated disposable filters might have, especially once they start getting clogged up with that dirt and debris, any other particles. Pretty durable. You can take this. We offer a lifetime guarantee on our EverFilter frames. They're not going to rust. You can buy bulk rolls of filter media locally for fairly cheap, or we offer some pre-cut filter inserts that are cut to size, whatever size filter that you might have. Let me grab one of these bulk rolls for you. You'll probably have some of these at a local HVAC distributing warehouse. We don't ship these. We can deliver them locally, but due to the size and nature of these, we can only do the pre-cut inserts. But you can source these locally from your HVAC company or HVAC distributor. We offer custom sizing, so we can do pretty much any size. This right here is just a sample size. It's a 1-inch filter. The nominal size is 1 inch. Actual size is 3/4 of an inch. We're also going to offer some free labeling with your company's information. You can put your company's name, your website, or a phone number. Whenever your customers, whether you install these in new constructions, they can take out the filter whenever it's time to switch out the filter. They're going to look at this and say, oh, ABC company, let me give them a call. They are familiar with this system. And then there you go. You got a free lead, free marketing. You're actually going to be generating some revenue with that marketing. We offer the blue MERV 8 filter media as well as the orange MERV 9 filter media. So we got a couple different options for the 1-inch filters. You can order just the frame itself, or you can order frame plus a 6-pack. You can just send the filter frame directly to your customer. So typically we do 1 filter frame plus a 6-pack of filter replacements for a drop ship order. This is going to allow your customer to swap out their filter either once a month or once every 2 months, and then they got a year supply. So we ship them like this. They're compressed down for shipping purposes, but as soon as you open these things up, they're going to expand back to normal size. This is just a demonstration for you. Boom. There goes your filters expanding back to normal size. We ship pretty much all drop ship orders same day or within 24 hours of the order, depending on the time placed during the day. And then any large orders that are getting shipped to your warehouse, typically 24 to 48 hours, we actually drop ship directly to your customers. So you can simply make the sale while you're on site out doing maintenance, place the order with us, send us the shipping location, the address that you want to send this year supply plus filter frame to, and we'll ship it directly to your customer, so you don't have to send another tech out to install or drop off these filters. We're going to offer those at wholesale pricing to you. You can charge whatever you see fit to your customers. Use that extra profit margin to pay your techs a little bit of an incentive and then increase that revenue on the business side. Locally, we do $5 shipping, and then we do $9.99 for anything outside of the Sarasota to Naples area. We also offer 2-inch option. This is for your commercial units, nominal 2-inch, 1 3/4 of an inch in thickness. It's also got that 1-inch by 1-inch backing, and this is another MERV 8 pre-cut filter, quick, easy replacement, also cost effective. That's another selling point. You can buy bulk rolls for probably less than you can get these pre-cuts. If you do want to get the pre-cut options, we do offer that. This is a 2-inch pre-cut, and this is our 1-inch option. So you can see the difference. We can do many different sizes. We got a 12 by 12 right here. This is 16 3/8 by 19 1/2. So there you have it. Those are our EverFilter products. Thanks for watching. I hope this video finds you well. If you're interested, feel free to reach out to us at www.purityair.co, or you can email us at orders@purityair.co. We'll be happy to answer any questions that you might have in regards to these filters. Feel free to reach out. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks.